In a narration found in Imam Manzari's Awareness and Apprehension, number 28, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised 3 characteristics which lead a Muslim to paradise. The first is to consume lawful food. This includes avoiding obtaining and utilizing the unlawful, such as wealth, in any aspect of one's life. It has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2342, that the righteous deeds of Muslim who utilizes unlawful provision will not be accepted by Allah, the Exalted. Obtaining lawful provision is the foundation stone of Islam. Without it, success is not possible, as one's lawful provision was allocated to them over 50,000 years before the creation of the heavens and the earth. According to the narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6748, a Muslim must therefore utilize their strength and resources in obtaining it, full well believing they will receive it. This will prevent them from pursuing the unlawful. The second characteristic mentioned in the main narration under discussion is following the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This does not mean only learning them, but more importantly it includes acting on them. This encompasses fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from His prohibitions and facing destiny with patience. A Muslim must never cherry-pick which traditions to follow nor misinterpret them in order to fulfill their desires. They should not rearrange the order of priority of his traditions, meaning, the established traditions should be acted on first, followed by the non-established, meaning, the non-regular traditions, as the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, is the practical role model of the Holy Quran. It is not possible to achieve success and peace in either this world or the next without following in his footsteps practically. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 31.
Say, O Muhammad, if you should love Allah, then follow me. So Allah will love you and forgive you your sins. And Allah is forgiving and merciful.
The final characteristic mentioned in the main narration under discussion is keeping one's harm away from people. This is vital to fulfill, as according to a narration found in Sunnah and Nasai, number 4998, a person cannot be a true Muslim or believer until they keep their verbal and physical harm away from a person and their possessions, irrespective of their faith. The one who mistreats others will find that justice will be established on Judgment Day. They will be forced to give their good deeds to their victims and, if required, take their sins. This may cause them to be hurled into hell. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6579. One must instead treat others how they wish people to treat them. This will ensure they not only keep their harm away from others but also aid others according to their means, in order to please Allah, the Exalted.